SMB gets a 2-1 lead in this Best of 7 final series. Good evening and welcome to our post-game press conference. I'm joined by our head coach, Coach Leo Austria, and our best player of the game, Junmar Marlo. Congratulations, gentlemen.
Thank you, thank you.
Coach Leo, in that final quarter, what so far allowed SMB to just push the lead and continuously deny TNT of any comeback attempt?
I beg your pardon. Thank you. Sorry.
Coach Leo, in that final quarter, ano nakatulong para patuloy na ma-push ng SMB ang abate at madala yung TNT of any comeback attempt?
I think the experience of the player, dahil alam nila fourth quarter is pivotal, and the killer instinct of the player, especially Junmar Fajardo and Chris Ross, they know how to handle the finals. And this is a very important game, third game, or first game in the best of 5 series. And everybody was inspired what these two guys are doing in the court. Not only in scoring, but on defending, especially Chris Ross. And this leadership is really amazing. And then magugulat kayo kung paano siya maglaro ngayon. In spite of alam nila, pero age doesn't matter. Okay? And of course, Junmar is a very experienced player when it comes to playoff. He wants to win it. And that is the most important thing. Everyone wants to win.
Thank you, Coach Leo. Now, Junmar, better field goal times in today's game, napataas mo compared to your last without sacrificing efficiency. Anong ginagawa ng mga teammates mo na nakatulong para kumbaga yung 80% field goal percentage?
Una-una, kami wala na seryosong kasama. Sige na ito namin na physical yung game na ito. Sana yung mga may injury. Sana fast recovery. And then nga, kami lahat nag-step up. Lahat ng pinasok ni Coach Dan sa loob ng board nag-step up lahat. Yun, nasunod namin yung place namin. Maganda yung namin. Maganda yung preparation namin. So, buti na kuha namin yung panalo.
Thank you, Junmar. I would like to open the floor for Franz Montes.
Junmar, congratulations. Junmar, yung TNT, nalagas kasi ng big man, wala si Poy. Naging madali ba sa'yo na wala si Poy o ganun pa rin? Natin ito ba si TNT, si Kalinato at si DTR?
Mahirap pa rin. Kahit wala si Poy, mahirap pa rin para sa akin. Pero yun nga, doon naman yung mga teammates ko, kita nyo naman, si Kelly, nakashoot siya, ilang threes, then nag-drive siya. Siyempre, nahirapan ako pupinsan siya, pero thankful ako sa mga teammates ko kasi nagpo-provide naman sila ng help para sa akin. Alam naman nila na mabibit ako ni Kelly, so nagpo-provide sila ng help para sa akin. So, yun yun.
Kasi yung Poy, nakapit ko sa preparation and your team adjustments.
Ano?
Without point?
Yes.
So in our practice yesterday, so we have a lot of viewings, including in our preparations for Erang, because we don't know what really happened. Although you can see naman in the replay, he cannot, but there's always a surprise. So unfortunately for them, he was not able to play, but our preparation is always included. Kahit nga sinabata kasama sa preparation namin yun eh. Kaya lang, everybody, dahil katulad na nangyari kanina, Abusotros, talagang magic bullet yun nila. And then we have to be careful. Everybody is good, especially in the finals, kailangan bantayan.
Coach, how big was yung 4-point shot ni Silvio in the second quarter and third? Yung play pa nga po ng malaki lang. How big was that?
Yeah, I think during the first half, I told them that third quarter is really pivotal in every game, not only the championship. Because in the past, third quarter, usually doon kami bumabagsak eh. But tonight, but giving them emphasize, this is really important and that's what happened. And there's a lot of energy. And that's the reason why our opponent committed a lot of turnovers. Imagine 32 turnover points, and that is because of the energy and intensity, and that is aggressiveness.
Yung fourth quarter nila was good in terms of field goal percentage, but medyo unhappy with this ng free throws nila. Particularly in the fourth quarter. Ano lang yung magagano yung pep talk sa game after that quarter na maraming free throws?
The free throws? Yeah, it's a part of the game, siyempre, the players, nobody wants to miss that free throws, Maybe, nararamdaman nila yung pressure, but I'm confident with them na they want to win, And makikita natin, dami nun but I believe these players, don't want to lose tonight. Okay, and then I think, so I have to give credit to their grit, and then talagang matatapang sila maglaro. Kanina, makikita mo naman nobody gives up. Even though we're leading in double figures in the last 2 minutes, they're still there. They're forcing Token Texas to commit a turnover, and that's the killer instinct of the player.